Hello and welcome back to our channel, guys. In a remarkable turn of events, Bayern Leverkusen has clinched their maiden Bundesliga title, marking a significant milestone in the club's history, ending Bayern Munich's long-standing dominance in German football. The 5-0 thrashing of Werder Bremen culminating in a stunning hat-trick from substitute Florian Wirtz epitomized Leverkusen's relentless pursuit of excellence throughout the season. So guys, before we get into the details, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and ring the bell icon for all the latest football updates. Now let's get into the action. Bayer Leverkusen head coach Xabi Alonso played this game with the 3-4-2-1 formation, in which he started Hradecky at goal, Kosono, Jonathan Tah and Tapsoba were the three centre-backs, Nathan Tella, Enrique, Granit Xhaka and Hincapié were the four central midfielders, Hoffmann and Adli were the two central attacking midfielders, and Boniface started this game as a centre-forward. While Werder Bremen head coach Ole Werner played this game with a 3-5-2 formation, in which he started Zetterer at goal, Melatini, Gross and Velkovic were the three centre-backs. In midfield, Lainez started this game alongside Bittencourt, Weiser, Schmidt and Agu. While in attack, Voltemate started this game alongside Marvin Duksch. So guys, from the outset, Leverkusen emerged as the team to beat, breaking records and defying expectations with each passing game. Under the astute guidance of manager Xabi Alonso, the squad displayed remarkable cohesion and determination, culminating in an unbeaten streak of 43 league games. This achievement not only underscores Leverkusen's dominance but also revitalized the competitiveness of the Bundesliga, signaling a shift in the football landscape. The scenes of jubilation that ensued at the final whistle were a testament to the collective effort and dedication of everyone involved with the club. Fans stormed the pitch in celebration, basking in the glory of this historic moment. For Leverkusen, this triumph presents more than just a trophy. It is a symbol of resilience, perseverance, and the power of teamwork. Looking ahead, Leverkusen aspires to build upon their success and pursue further glory in both domestic and European competitions. With Xabi Alonso at the helm and a squad brimming with talent and ambition, the club has set its sights on the treble, remaining contenders in the DFB Pokal and the UEFA Europa League. Their unwavering commitment to excellence ensures that they will continue to be a formidable force in the seasons to come. This victory not only elevates Leverkusen to new heights but also heralds in a new era in German football. Bayern Munich's reign may have come to an end, but their legacy serves as a reminder of the standards to which all teams aspire. Leverkusen's triumph is a testament to the strength of the Bundesliga and a testament to the enduring spirit of competition. In the league-winning match against Werder Bremen, Bayer Leverkusen scored their first goal in the 25th minute when Victor Boniface converts a penalty. In the 16th minute, Leverkusen made it 2-0 when Granit Xhaka scored an amazing goal with a sensational curling effort. The 46th minute, Xabi Alonso substituted Florian Wirtz, and in the 68th minute, he scored a banger from 25 yards out, sensationally beat Zetterer. And in the 83rd minute, Florian Wirtz grabbed his second and the Leverkusen fans stormed the pitch, causing play to halt temporarily. But later on, the game was started, and in the 90th minute, Florian Wirtz scored a first senior hat-trick as he clinches the title for Bayern Leverkusen. So guys, now let's take a look at the match stats. Bayer Leverkusen took a total of 20 shots in which 10 of them were on target, while Werder Bremen took a total of 7 shots in which 3 of them were on target. Bayer Leverkusen had 56% of possession, while Werder Bremen had 44% of possession. Bayer Leverkusen committed 10 fouls, while Werder Bremen committed 4 fouls. Bayer Leverkusen got 2 yellow cards, while Werder Bremen got 1 yellow card. So guys, as the celebrations continue and the trophy is hoisted high, Bayer Leverkusen can reveal in their newfound status as the champions of Germany. Their journey to the top has been paved with challenges and obstacles, but through perseverance and determination, they have emerged victorious. This is more than just a championship win. It is a triumph of human spirit and a testament to the power of dreams. Congratulations to Bayer Leverkusen on their historic achievement. So guys, what are your opinions on this Bayer Leverkusen historic achievement? Give your opinions in the comment section down below. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and ring the bell icon for all the latest football updates. We'll meet you until next time. Thank you.